Counting of votes. Role of micro observer. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to understand the roles and duties of micro observer in counting. They will also be able to know about the roles and duties of two additional micro observer. Sitting arrangements in the counting room. There will be 14 tables for the counting by the control unit. Separate tables for the counting of postal ballots. One table each for returning officer and observer. One table for tabulation work. The sitting arrangement in the counting room. The model layout is shown on the screen. On the one side of the table, there will be counting agents. And on the table, there will be micro observer, counting assistant, and counting supervisor. The sitting arrangement is shown on the screen. The micro observer shall be responsible for the purity of counting process on his or her respective table. The micro observer will note down the details of votes exhibited by the control units and the postal ballots counting in each round on that table. They will be provided with a pre-printed statement on which there will be space for noting down the control unit number, round number, table number, polling station number, and thereafter the names of all the contesting candidates as they appear on the ballot paper. The micro observer will note down the details of votes displayed by the control unit being counted in each round on the table assigned to them. These micro observers will put their signature at the end of the statement and shall hand over the statement to the observer after each round. Two additional micro observers will be deployed in each counting hall. The first will keep a watch over the round-wise compilation of votes. He or she will ensure that the entries in the Part 2 of the Form 17C are correctly entered. The second shall assist the observer and recheck the printout that all the data which has been entered is fully correct and complete and in accordance with the original Part 2 of Form 17C received from each counting table. In this educational video, we have learned about the role of micro observers in counting. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.